Hello guys, it's me Elise and I'll be teaching you how to recover your Google account password or change your password in your Google account. Google account is very important as it connects yourself to many Google applications such as Gmail, your Drive, your Docs, your calendar, so we cannot lose the password. So in order to recover your Google account password, you need to do the steps that I say. So let's get started. Open a browser. I've taken Safari, then click on the Google. This will log you into a profile picture that you're already logged into. So go to the account where you want to recover your Google address, then click on sign in. This will lead you to this page. So you can click on the next button, then you can click on the forget password. This will redirect you to a number, then you can open the Gmail app on your iPhone to verify that it's you. Then click on yes, it's me. Then click on the number that appears on your Safari. So it'll redirect you to your next page and you can click on continue. Then create a strong password that you'll remember and note it down in some place so you won't forget it again. I've just generated a random one here, so you can click on change password, and by typing in your username you can change your password for google.com or recover your Google account. I hope this video was very helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. It's me Elise signing off.